Okay guys, so for this toasted coconut margarita, you're gonna need a couple ingredients. Some coconut milk, limes, this toasted coconut, some salt, tequila, orange liqueur, and I promise you for this drink, it makes all the difference. Okay, so first things first, for this toasted coconut margarita, I went ahead and I put some ice in my shaker. We're gonna go ahead and take a lime, cut this in half. We're gonna take our little cocktail glasses and rim the glasses with some lime juice, and be generous with the lime juice. I always think a drink is better when you have a thick rim. Go ahead and do it to the other one. Okay, we then are gonna take our salt. It will open. There we go. Our trusty little margarita salt. And we are gonna go ahead and dip our glasses into it. I love flaky salt for a margarita. There we go. Gorgeous. And we're gonna do the other one. Boom, here we go. We're gonna take the rest of our lime and cut little horizontal strips. I always do like just a little sliver into any citrus I'm putting on the drink. Go. Boom. There you go. Now that the glasses are decorated, we are gonna take our shaker that's filled with ice and take our limes and put some fresh squeezed lime juice in here. Over the shoulder. Ah, I tried. She's a squirter. You don't want this drink too citrusy, so you can still taste the coconut. You don't want the citrus to drown it out, because I feel like coconut doesn't necessarily have a super potent, pungent taste as much as the citrus does. It kind of will cut through that flavor. So we are gonna do about 2 limes. All right, we have our 2 limes in here. We then are gonna take our coconut milk. This is my favorite one. It's the Thai Kitchen coconut milk. And I get the unsweetened kind just because it's already really sweet. Even though it says unsweetened, I don't think you need it to be even more sweet. Then it's too much. All right, so let's get this coconut milk going. I still struggle. You see, I can't open her. Hold up. Coconut milk opened. You're only going to use about 2 ounces. I'm just going to eyeball it. I don't like measuring things. That looks perfect, actually. We are going to take our orange liqueur. You're only going to put about 1 ounce because, again, the citrus, you don't want it to be super overpowering of the coconut. Woo! Perfect. We then are going to take our tequila, the star of the show and my personal favorite, 818. Woo! And I'm going to make these a double, personally. We do love tequila in this house, so. Ooh. Perfecto. We then are going to pop this lid on and give it a little shake. Now that it's nice and shaken up, we are going to pour this over ice. Woo, got it. Ooh, this looks so yummy and creamy. And I feel like the more you shake it, the creamier it gets. I made just enough for 2 cocktails. Okay, so now to top these bad boys off, I love adding a little crunch to this. Whew, rip this open. I'm really struggling today. And we're gonna just put some little toasted coconut strips right on top. I feel like it really just finishes off the drink. Ooh, oopsies. And look how summery and pretty that looks. Now for the moment of truth, the taste test. Let's see, let's see. Wow. This is my new favorite summertime drink. It's creamy, it's citrusy, it's refreshing. I love the salt on the rim because this drink is pretty sweet and then this just breaks it through with the salt. 10 out of 10, highly recommend, especially if you're out with your friends, hanging by the beach or by the pool. This will be the drink for you. Okay guys, that's it for this week's episode of Welcome to the Party. I hope you enjoyed making this toasted coconut margarita and you have a new favorite summertime drink just like me. Cheers. Mwah.